Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about dobutamine. So if you see, dobutamine is actually an inotropic drug. With onset of action of dobutamine is around 1 to 2 minutes and the action will peak. Peak action is seen in 1 to 10 minutes. And if you see the duration of action of dobutamine is less than 10 minutes. And half-life of dobutamine is equal to 2 minutes. Okay, thank you for watching.
Thank you and thank you for watching.